Alright guys, so the brand new iPhone 16 has just been launched, and you might have got yourself a brand new iPhone 16 Pro, maybe 16 Plus, Pro Max, the non-Pro, whatever. But in today's video, we're going to check out the number one thing that you're going to do for your phones, and that's naturally to get some protection. Obviously, we got a couple of casings here today, and these were actually sent over by CASETiFY. So there's a huge box that actually came in the mail. Let's hop on a very quick unboxing so I can show you, what's really inside this massive box. Let's go. Alright, so let's take a quick look at this massive package that CASETiFY sent over. At the front here, this is being covered by their brand new utility lanyard. It's the Ultra Bounce utility lanyard, which we will take a look later. And oh, wow. So first up, obviously a very quick note from CASETiFY. Thanks for that. Ooh, check that out guys, we've got quite a fair bit of stuff here. We're going to start off with the Ultra Bounce case in this bluish colorway. Very nice. You can tell right away that this is an Ultra Bounce case with all the kind of protections that you see on the sides as well as on the top. This case actually provides more than 30 feet of drop protection and up to 10 times of military grade standards. So it's not kidding around here, this is serious protection. Now you put that aside for now and we see what else we have here. We have the Bounce Carabiner, very cool accessory. You can also use this to hook onto your phone like that, and you can then hook your phone very strongly to any kind of device or whatever you want to hook it onto. We also have a sort of like a watch casing in here. Now that's nice because now I can actually convert my own watch into something like with a black casing. So what's cool is that there's actually quite a fair bit of different ways on how you can use these accessories. You can either hook it to the bottom of your phone or to both sides, depending on which kind of layout you actually prefer. Alright, so that's basically what you get in that huge box. So we are starting off with the most protection, the Ultra Bounce case. If you are someone who's super careless and drops your phone all the time, this might be something that you want to check out because it's just protected all around. Now moving on to the next case, we do have here the Bounce case. Now this is actually more ideal for those of you who are not so careless. So I've actually got this design here that I chose. So it has this sort of like pixels going on. If you take a closer look at the case itself, you'll notice that there's actually all the perfect cutouts for all your buttons, especially the brand new camera control. And if you just look at the very tiny detail on the side, you might notice that it says recycling phone cases since 2021. And that's because CASETiFY is all about that sustainability thing, and they are just recycling stuff. Even the plastic over here says it's made from 50% recycled material. Now this offers more than 20 feet of drop protection. It's 6 times military grade standard, and of course the new thing about these Bounce cases is that it's slightly more slimmer as well as lighter. So that's great because you're going to be having a lighter phone case in your pocket. Now moving on to the final case here that I have, and this is actually called the Impact case. Now this is also one of their top favorite cases. It's very minimal. I love this design of the case. It's got this sort of like topography graphic going on, and you can actually feel the lines at the back of the case itself. It's not just a flat print, you actually have texture going on at the back. Now this case looks more minimalist like I said, and it actually offers more than 8 feet of drop protection. It's also 4 times military grade standard, so it's still strong enough for your day-to-day use. If you are a casual user, you're not someone who drops your phone a lot, this will be the perfect case to actually choose from. So yeah, that's basically what I got in the mail from CASETiFY, the cases for the iPhone 16 series. Again, if you just take a final look at these cases, you'll notice that everything is built very nicely. The cutouts are perfectly made, so you have your button presses without any issues. You have your camera control cutout, you have your MagSafe compatibility, so you can stick on your MagSafe accessories. Anyways, if you do happen to want to get one of these CASETiFY products, doesn't matter if it's a casing, the screen protector, the lanyard and all that, feel free to use my promo code down below to get a 10% off. Bear in mind that I do not get any single commission from any purchase you guys make using the discount code below. With that said, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. I hope your iPhones are protected, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.